Hey folks, frequently when you're soldering, we call it sweating, inside a home, residential property, you're exposing your flame to potentially flammable materials, and sometimes when you're using the flame, you're exposing that heat to flammable materials that are out of sight. And it is far too common that soldering projects result in fires. In most cases, they're put out quickly. In some cases, they're behind the wall, and really bad things happen. So I'm going to show you the value and the importance of a heat shield, a very, very inexpensive safety component anytime you solder. I have a self-starting torch. I'm not going to actually solder. I just wanted, this is really just to show you what a heat shield does. Self-starting. I'm going to put flame on the copper. Obviously, the heat shield's absorbing all the heat. I'm going to show that. Pull this away. Here's my insulation, perfectly intact. Now take a big guess what happens, and I do have a fire extinguisher here, when you do a soldering project and you're not using a heat shield. That's what happens. Not great. Now, even if you have a fire extinguisher, this is not going to make your customer or your family too happy. I don't think. Not too pleasant. So spend a few dollars and get a heat shield.